Okay, let's get to this. Today I took sales and was somehow impulsive and I took a loss. Yeah, uh, my emotions got to me. The gambler, the caveman got to me this time. Okay, now I wanna go through the trade. What did I say? What made me take the trade and I was a short? So as you can say, I was looking at a bar down here and this is cable. This is the early chart. Here, the market was pulling inside this CB. So the market was pulling inside the CB. We are bearish, but we left some clean highs here, and fiber was like really choppy when going down. Plus, cable was weaker than fiber. Why? As you can see here, we have an SMT. We had an SMT, and like this low. Cable had taken that low. Let me mark that as SMT. And fiber had failed to take that low, telling me that fiber was the best. Oops. Fiber was the best for selling. So I went to the 15 minutes chart. That was studying how the daily chart, the candlestick may behave. So the market opened here at around 17, went higher, cleared this high, came back at 1 with this CB over here. This is the daily open. Let me return it. 17 right there. Okay, let me remove some stuff over here so that it doesn't get confusing. Mhm. Oops. Let me clean all this up. Okay, market took that high. We came, obey that, telling me that when the daily candlestick open here, rallied higher, when it obeyed this CB, this tells me that this is a week. All this move higher was a week. And you see, it was entering this hourly order block. This hourly order block is actually this upclose candle. So at the initiation, it didn't go above, it obeyed the bodies remained below the mean threshold of that order block. Then we had that we displaced lower at around 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2:45. Yeah, I wanted to see liquidity taken in the 1 minute, then it continue lower. So let's go to the 1 minute chart. Okay, cable came here inside this is our hourly CB. Let me show you the hourly CB. But the market was pulling inside that CB. This one. So cable was pulling inside that one, but remember this is the weak one. We wanna sell this. Also, this one was bearish, so cable was pulling inside that one, and I was looking for sales. As we expect some selling pressure to come inside that CBR. So back to the 1 minute. Cable came and cleared these highs, but fiber failed. An SMT proving that fiber is really, really weak. That's what we wanna see. Okay, the market ran lower and respected this CB. Wanted high here. Here's whereby it became emotional. Hadn't put my setups ready to take this trade. So before I could open my softwares and all the tools I used to trade, the market had run to this area. So I just went short aggressively. Yeah, my stop was above there. So when this thing started to run really higher toward that area, I couldn't hold that loss anymore because I had even taken with too much risk. Had even taken too much risk. So was for the take profit I was planning when cable was taking this low, I would have taken the same. I would have taken my profit, which is around here. So my take profit will have been somewhere there. It will a time profit, take profit, time based take profit. So this thing started to run really early. I couldn't hold the trade anymore. Got out, then observed what it was doing here. Took another trade after it respected this 15 minutes. This the 15 minutes. Let me first show you before let me remove that and show you that CB. The 15 minutes CB. Yeah, this is the 15 minutes CB. You see? It was coming inside that. That's all. That's being I'm highlighting. So as it weighed that CB and broke lower, I went short again. Right now I was a little bit calm. My stop was still above that high and my profit was just below that low. So went short there. It ran towards me. I trailed my stop loss, then came and stopped me out right there. Then continued lower. Yeah. So I took a loss and I couldn't hold this. Actually I didn't feel comfortable when it came back to my entry. Yeah, those were the two trades for today. A red day, so I had a red day.